Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn more about fire suppression system. So guys, before I start, I just urge you to subscribe to our channel. So guys, in today's video we are focusing on how to install fire suppression system in the server room. So basically today's video we are going to touch in every corner the accessories, the components that make the fire suppression system. So here are the main components of the fire suppression system. I will just touch one by one. There are 7 components of fire that make the fire suppression system. So one, I'll start by discussing about the fire detection system. So you need to have the detection system. This is the first accessories item to have. The smoke detectors detect smoke partial in the air. So the smoke detectors are connected, wired inside the server room, and their work is to detect the smoke partial in the air. We have the heat detectors. The heat detectors trigger when temperature exceeds a preset level. So the heat detectors are also wired according to zones, and their work is to detect the heat in the room. We have the flame detectors. The flame sense ultraviolet UV or infrared IVIR reduction flame. We have number 4. We have manual pull stations. This allow people to activate the system manually. The manual pulls. This help people to activate the system manually. We go to another thing. Is number 2 is suppression agent. Suppression agent, we have number 1, water. Water is used in sprinkler system. We have the sprinkler system has nozzles that releases water in case activated. We have a foam. Foam covers flammable liquids to block oxygen. You see, when the foam is released, it covers the layer of oxygen. So after covering the layer of oxygen, then the automatically fire will go off. We have dry chemical powder. Dry chemical powder interrupts the chemical reaction of fire. This one is to interrupt the chemical reaction of fire. We have number 4. We have CO2 in bracket carbon dioxide. Displaces oxygen, effective in electrical fires. CO2, even the CO2 extinguisher is used to fight electrical fires. So this one displaces the oxygen, effective in electrical fires. So guys, hope you are enjoying. Continue, don't skip guys, watch until the end. Hope you learn something about the fire suppression system. So guys, we have number 5, clean agent, e.g. FM 200, Nozzles 1230, non-conductive, leaves no residue guys. So Number 3, we are going to talk about agent storage and delivery system. Agent storage and delivery system. A storage tank stroke cylinders contain the suppression agent. Number 2, we have piping, nozzles. This one distribute the agent to the protected area. So the nozzles and piping connected. The nozzle is to release the agent. It is connected to the piping. The pipe goes straight to the suppression cylinder. So number 4, we have control panel, or in bracket fire suppression control unit. So guys, as a control panel, the work of control panel is to coordinate with all accessories. All accessories are connected to this main control panel. So the control panel is the head, is the brain of the fire of all components that form a fire suppression system. So number 1, coordinate the detection, alarm and activation, sends signals to alarms and initiates the discharge of agents. You see guys, after the signal, maybe the fire is burning or has started, the detectors and the other components detect and send signal to the control panel. The control panel now sends alerts the people through the devices such as the sounders, flashers and bells. Number 5, we have notification devices. So notification devices, these are now the devices that alert people in case of fire after the detection have detected. So these are the devices that alert people. Audible alarms, horn, bells. We have visual alarms, strobes, flashing lights. So alert occupants. The work of these bells and blah 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 alert occupants to evacuate immediately. So alert the people surrounding to evacuate, or maybe the other people are inside the suppression doing the work. So in case of fire, these devices, the bells, alert people to evacuate, the occupants to evacuate the room immediately. We have a activation mechanism. Automatic actuators. The work of automatic actuators is to trigger by detection system. Manual actuators, push buttons or lever used by people. Number 7, we have interlock systems. This is option. Interlock system is an optional. Shuts down machinery, ventilation or fuel supplies before agent release. So the summary now now guys, listen, this is the summary of what I have been just talking about. Now we have accessories. Number 1, accessories that form a fire suppression system. Number 1, we have discharge nozzles, pressure gauge, flexible hoses, manual release station, abort switches, warning signs and labels, discharge indicators, electrical relays and interfaces, battery backup, power supply unit, solenoid, valve, actuator, interlock or exchange door contact. So guys, thank you for learning. Thank you for watching this video from the start to the end. Hope you have learned something about fire suppression system. And if you need or you want to learn more about online courses, my number is 0716771810. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.